Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Had a couple of tools laying around and I was taking the wire wheel to them. They were pretty rusty. I couldn't see any of the maker's marks on any of these tools here. So I just thought I'd get the wire wheel and see if I can uncover some maker's marks. And I got this one. This is a Harold USA pair of pliers here. But I really like the handle design. Pretty cool. This one's got quite the patina on it. But yeah, those are cool. Is it this one or one of these had a maker's mark I'm not familiar with? Yeah. This one, Action. It's combo wrench, 11/16, says Action, manufactured USA, and 2022A. It's got a little U there. Never heard of that. Let me know if you guys are familiar with Action, the company. This one ended up being a Thorsen. And it's 5/8. .3018, 9/16 on the other side. And then the last one was totally rusty. The rust came off pretty easily though. The wire wheel kind of did a good job. There's still, you can see what the rust was like. There's a lot of rust still inside. It was basically like that on the outside. It's got the knurling here. Let's see, what do we got here? BOG MFG Co. It's got the star there. I don't see much BOG around. Maybe I've come across BOG in the past, but it's kind of new to me, really. But it looks pretty old. Uh, 12 point. Let's see here. Half-inch drive. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll take the Dremel and clean the rest of it out here. But yeah, just thought I'd show those to you guys. Nice to uncover those maker's marks. It's always fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.